Welcome to day 18 of Java in 30 days. Today, we are diving into exception handling, one of the most important parts of writing safe and reliable programs. In Java, exceptions are unexpected events that happen during program execution, like dividing by zero, accessing invalid arrays indexes, or working with files that doesn't exist. Instead of crashing the program, Java gives us tools to handle these exceptions gracefully using keywords like try, catch, finally, throw, and throws. So, let's go step by step. Now, what is try and catch? A try block contains the code that may cause an exception. The catch block handles the exception if it occurs. Now, let's see an example for it. We will write our try block first. So, we will write try curly braces. Then, we will write int result is equal to, let's take 10 divided by 0 semicolon. This is the risky code. Now we will print it by writing system dot out dot print ln, and inside parenthesis in quotes we will write result, and then we will print our result. Let's add result, and now we will end this with semicolon. Then we will go to our catch block. So we will write catch curly braces, parenthesis. Inside that we will write arithmetic exception E, and then we will close this with the curly braces and print our statement by writing system dot out dot print ln, and then we will write our print statement error, and the error will be division by 0 is not allowed, and then we will end this with semicolon. Now our code looks complete, so let's save it and right click, run as Java application, proceed, and you can see the output error division by 0 is not allowed. Now in this code, dividing by 0 normally crashes the program. But since we wrapped it in a try catch, Java throws an arithmetic exception and we catch it, printing a friendly error message instead of crashing. Now let's go to the finally. Now moving further, let's see finally. Sometimes we need certain code to always run, whether an exception happens or not. That's where the finally block comes in. Now let's see the code for it. Now let's see our finally block. So we will first write our try block. So we will write try curly braces, and we will try to access an invalid array index to check how it works. So we will write int and then parenthesis, the big bracket that is, and then we will write numbers equal to, let's take the array of 1, 2, 3, and then curly braces, and we will end this with the semicolon. Now we will print the statement by writing system dot out dot print ln, and then we will pass numbers and we will pass the 5, which is not in the array, and then we will run our catch. we will run our catch block. So we will write catch in parenthesis. We will write array index out of bounds and then exception E. Now the code is moving further. So we will print our next statement by writing system.out.println and then we will print a statement error and then we will write index out of range and we will put exclamation mark and end this with semicolon. Now we will go to our finally block. So we will write finally and then curly braces and we will print by writing system dot out dot print ln and we will write this block always execute and then we will end this with the semicolon and we will put a semicolon here. Now our code looks complete. So let's save and run the program. Run as Java application. Proceed and you can see the output error index out of range. This block always execute got printed. Now here we try to access an invalid array index. The catch block handles it and the finally block executes no matter what often used for, like cleanup, closing files or releasing the resources. Now we will see the throw block. So let's go